Hey y'all, it's Hadassah back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. Please consider hitting the red subscribe button down below and joining our family. And that allows you to not miss out on any videos that I post on upcoming shenanigans that we get into over here on this channel. If you are not new here, hey girl, I did the drawing for the giveaway this weekend. So I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and update y'all. So for those of y'all who might not remember, we're doing a giveaway for every 100 up until we get to 1,000. So we just surpassed 800 subscribers, yay! So the items that I was giving away for my 800 subscriber giveaway were this super cute Coach horse and carriage wristlet right here, and also this gorgeous yellow card case. Super cute. Yeah, there's the color right there. So yeah, hit myself in the face. Both of these items are going to be going to one person, and the winner was Wake Up. Congratulations. Her name is Wake Up here on YouTube. It's a different name over on Instagram. I will be sending you a DM over on Instagram. And I will go ahead and make sure that these get mailed out to you so you can start enjoying your goodies as soon as possible. Congratulations. So now let's move on to the giveaway for reaching 900 subscribers. I think y'all are gonna like this one. One second. So I think y'all are already gonna know because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put it in the title what this item is. But I actually have not unwrapped this item, so it's gonna be an unboxing for this item as well. So I am going to go ahead and open this. And yeah, it allows me to do this. So it comes well wrapped, as Coach items always do. And let me get this tape off of the back. So I actually ordered this a while ago, and I kind of want to keep it. So if nobody wants to enter the giveaway, that's fine as well, because I actually really like this item. So I am going to go ahead and try to slide this off. And you can start seeing the gorgeous color that we're working with right here. So I'm not gonna unwrap the strap since I am gonna be giving this away. I kind of don't want to unwrap it all the way just so that the person who wins kind of has that experience. So of course you have this little thingy right here, and I can stuff this back in here, but let me just take it out for right now. So this is called, like I said, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put in the title. So this is called the Coach Georgie saddle bag, I believe. There we go. So how pretty is this? Can y'all see that? Let me get closer. Look at how pretty this is. Like, it's the most gorgeous shade of pink. So this color is called Confetti Pink, and it has gold hardware, if you can see that right there. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like, and it is a nice size. Let me see. I'm knocking stuff over, but this is like a Coach wallet, and just kind of in relation, it definitely fits in there well. You'll be able to fit, if you have like little Nolitas or mini pochettes, you will definitely be able to fit those in here as well. And like I said, I don't want to like do like a full thing. So it does come with a back slip pocket right here, as you can see. And do I have a phone handy? I don't know if I have a phone handy, but it will fit your phone in this back compartment. And just like in relation, that's kind of what a key card case looks like against it. But yeah, it is wide enough to fit a phone. And I love the beautiful, well, y'all know how the Coach Georgie's work, with the horse and carriage detail right here that you saw up close. Yeah, the horse and carriage detail right here. And it does come with this crossbody strap right here. Like I said, I'm not actually gonna unwrap this. And then it just opens with a magnetic closure. And this is the inside, and it does come with like a slip pocket right here, if you can see. So you can put items in here. And then it has the main compartment, and it has the Coach story patch in there as well. And like a back slip pocket with your details in it. The interior is just like a brown microfiber suede type of material. It feels really nice and soft. And then, like I said, it just has the magnetic closure, and you just attach the straps to the side. And then it also comes with a hang tag as well. So like I said, this bag is so pretty, like such a pretty shade of pink. And just for comparison, like I said, this is confetti pink. And this is true pink. So true pink and confetti pink. And then let me get up close for y'all. So yeah, confetti pink is this one. True pink is this one, just of what they are side by side. And then this is cerise. And this is the confetti pink. So also two very different pinks. So as you can see, this really also helps to bring out the texture. The Coach Georgie has a pebbled leather texture versus the smooth leather you see here on the cash-in. But yeah, this is a really gorgeous bag, y'all. I am super excited to be giving this away to somebody who will hopefully love it as much as I do. And like I said, y'all, I really want to keep this one, but I'm gonna give it to y'all because I love y'all too. And we're all a family, so I know, you know, I can enjoy it through y'all. So this is going to be the item that we're giving away for reaching 900 subscribers. So we haven't made it there yet, but once we make it there, I'll go ahead and do the drawing for the 900 subscriber giveaway to win this gorgeous, gorgeous bag right here. Super, super cute. But yeah, so as far as the rules, so the rules are going to be the same as they have been the entire time. Like I said before, if you have already entered to win, or well, entered the previous giveaways, you are still entered in this giveaway as well for the Coach Georgie bag. Everything rolls over. If you're not sure if you're entered to win, definitely feel free to just go ahead and leave another comment, and I can confirm, you know, that I have your name written down and everything. So you have to be subscribed on YouTube, and you also have to be following me over on Instagram. So if your Instagram name is different than your YouTube name, please help a sister out. When you say that you want to enter below, just write what your Instagram name is so I can easily find you and confirm. Because like I said, once the winner is chosen, I will be DMing you over on Instagram, to get your address details and all that good stuff so you can actually get the prize that you won. So like I said, please help me out. If your Instagram name is different, just leave what your Instagram name is in your comment down below. So that was my box falling. But as far as how to enter, so you can just comment down below that you want to be entered in the giveaway. If you, or over on Instagram, whichever suits your fancy. I will be making a dedicated post over on Instagram. You can comment there. If you want extra entries into the giveaway, I'm giving y'all the opportunity, more chances to win. If you want extra entries into the giveaway, you can comment and tag 2 friends. That'll get you an extra entry. And you can also share the dedicated post that I'm making to your stories, and make sure you tag me when you share it to your stories so that I can see that you shared it to your stories. And that will also get you an extra entry into the giveaway. So you can do that as many times as you want. So if you really want this bag and you really want extra entries, you want to comment a lot of times, tag, a lot of friends, do you, boo-boo. Okay, get your extra entries. I'm not mad at it. Okay? But yeah, so that's how you're going to be able to get the extra entries. Just to recap, if you comment and tag 2 friends over on Instagram, that's 1 extra entry. If you comment again and tag 2 more friends, that's another entry. So if you share the dedicated post that I'm making about this giveaway to your stories over on Instagram and tag me, that counts as 1 extra entry. So if you just want to be entered, period, you just comment either below this video or over on Instagram and let me know that you want to be entered into the giveaway. And like I said, as soon as our family reaches 900 subscribers, I will be giving away that gorgeous bag. I mean, it's a win-win here. And like I said, if nobody wants to enter, that's also perfectly fine because I love the bag. I had lots of second thoughts about giving it away. Like I said, I love y'all too. And I want y'all to enjoy the best things in life, which I consider that bag one of the best things in life, especially with that pink and gold. Like, are you serious? Coach did that. Okay, they did that with that Coach Georgie bag. Y'all already know I'm a fan of the Coach Georgie line anyway, because I just did an unboxing about the shoulder bag that was also pink and gold that I just showed y'all. If you have not seen that video, definitely check it out. I will leave it linked probably somewhere up above, here or there, wherever it's at. But yeah, any questions about what the rules are, if you're a little bit confused, definitely feel free to hit me up on Instagram. Same name as here, HP Life and Style. I am not putting the rules in the comments because, as I said before, this giveaway is for us, for our family, our community, and not just a bunch of spammers and scammers trying to win free stuff. And they're not really a part of our community. So that's why the rules are not written down below. They will not be written down below. If you want to enter, you're going to watch the whole video and figure out what to do because I'm telling you clearly. And like I said, any questions, just let me know. But as always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.